So this is what our ads look like out of all stays. So we've got a campaign. Now a campaign is you telling Facebook what your goal is for your ad. It could be traffic, it could be engagement, it could be link clicks, it could be profile visits. So if I show you, this is going to be gibberish to you now, but you will understand it. So you've got your campaign objective. So the objective is leads. Now a lead is someone submitting your form, someone expressing interest and giving you their details. Then just your budget. Genuinely, we're only at £65 a day. That's all we're at. Nothing crazy. We get about 5 to 10 leads a day from this, and we close 3-4 a week. So you don't need a crazy budget. So that's all the campaign is. It's telling Facebook what your objective is. Your objective is leads, and then you're telling it what your budget is. So for you, it will be £10 a day, £15 a day. And then you've got something called an ad set. So this is underneath your campaign. This is where you're telling Facebook who you want your ads to be put in front of. So for example, on an ad set, you define your audience. So for example, on this one, we've got ages 25 to 60. Do we want to be putting Facebook ads out to 18-year-olds? Because they're not landlords, are they? Probably not. Do we want to be putting ads to people above 60, 65? Maybe, but realistically, our target market is 25 to 60. So that's what you want to do. And then you can set your locations. So for example, here, we're targeting the main areas that we want to push our business into: Chester, the Lake District, London, Manchester and York. Whereas for you, let's do Manchester, and then you set your radius. So it could be 20 kilometres from Manchester, just so you're staying in that area for now. So that's what you do. You set your location, you set your age range, and then you can take it a step further, and you can target interests. So Facebook is putting your ad in front of people that have certain interests. So these ads that we're running, the purpose of this ad is to get landlords who have properties to sign up to our services, to give you their properties to manage. So for example, renting, property development, investing. But these are all different interests. So you can target people who are interested in property management. You can target people who are interested in property investing. Well, if you're interested in property investing, you've realistically got properties, right? If you're interested in property management, then you might have properties, but I know you've got an interest in that space. You've got, for example, property development. Now, if you're interested in property development, realistically, you've got properties. So there's loads. You can target people who just have an interest in property. So this is where you tell Facebook who to target. So you've got age, genders if you want, but we'll keep that open, locations, and then interests. So for example, real estate. For example, property investing. And Facebook will tell you how big that audience is as well. And it will also give you some suggestions. So for example, property investing, can you see on the right-hand side where it says size? 516 million to 600 million people are interested in that. Like there's a lot out there. Real estate, 108,000, 127,000. So that's not the biggest market. So I want to keep going. And Facebook will, if you click browse, it will give you some suggestions as well. So let's have a look. You could go renting, I know is a good one. Renting brackets property, that's got 400 million audience size. And you could just keep it at that for now. And that's all you do. So an ad set is you telling Facebook who you want, where the ads are going basically, who to put your ads in front of. So your campaign is your objective. My objective is people that submit forms. But within those people that submit forms, I want them to be between 25 and 60. I want them to have interest in property investing. I want them to be based in Manchester. They're the people that are most likely to click on your ad and give you the property, aren't they? Cool. And then lastly, you've got your ad. Now your ad is your picture, your video, whatever piece of content that you want on the ad. So, for example, you see this video here? I'm saying, do you want bookings like this, this, or this? It's exactly what we're achieving for our landlords at Evolve Stays. If you're a landlord in the UK and you want your property managed, click the link below, I will give you a call. Or you've got this one of George, but the ones that do the best for us are the basic image ads. So just a picture. You see this? This is what we've got running right now. This is the one that's generating all of our leads. It's so basic. So you can have your logo at the top, earn 30 to 50% more with Airbnb. Smart landlords choose Airbnb. You've got long-term rent, £800 a month, and then Airbnb with Evolve Stays, £2,000 a month. Just like a visual diagram so they can understand that they're going to make more with us. Then you've got some selling benefits, hands-off service, increased earnings, more control, and local expertise. And then we've got see how much you can earn. So, and then underneath, it will say, get your free income estimate today. They'll click get quote, and then that will take them to the form. Does this make sense? Are you with me? Cool. When they submit the form, they've got to say their name, email, number, where the property is that they've got, for example. Exactly what you've got on your website. But when they submit the form, you're going to get their details, and that's when you're going to give them a call. And the great thing is about running Facebook ads is every landlord that comes through, they're what we call a warm lead. You're not cold calling them. You're not ringing someone that doesn't know who you are. They fucking submit a form. They're already interested in you and working with you. So when you are calling these, it's like, oh, hi, Mary, you've submitted a form on Facebook regarding Airbnb management. It's Kieran from Evolve Stays. Oh, yeah, Kieran, yeah, I remember doing that. It's just not, they're just nice and warm calls. So this is what the ad looks like. So that's how the Facebook campaign is structured. Yeah, you've got your campaign, ad set, ad. So what I want you to do is look at recreating this. I'm going to send you a Google Drive with these, and you can recreate them. You can put them in ChatGPT. I created this one with ChatGPT. Still managing your Airbnb. Get expert management today. Increase revenue, improved occupancy, 5-star guest experience. Get started. They'll click get offer, and then again that takes them to the form. They submit that. I give them a call. Have I blown your head off, or does this make sense? Cool. Right. So I want you to start setting up these ads ASAP. To be honest, mate, you can send these messages on Open Rent. You can start practicing these calls with landlords, but ultimately your main source of leads is going to be through this. To be honest, mate, I've stopped doing Open Rent. I don't do too much estate agent work anymore because we're just getting so much through this. Yeah, and they're scalable. So for example, you spend £10 to £15 a day, right? Let's say you get one landlord signing up a day, right? Well, that's enough really for now. You know, you don't want fucking 10 a day right now. You've not got the systems yet. But when you do have the systems in place, when you've got the experience, you've managed your first property, maybe 2 properties, you've got your confidence with it. It's like, fucking hell, right, let's change that £10 to £15 a day to £25 a day. And then you can start growing it, but it's at your own pace. That's what's great about Facebook, is because you set your budget, it will give you X amount of leads, and then once you're comfortable, scale it.